We are ready for Wednesday Language Part 2. You are going to need your suffix page, page 113, and it says suffix ER, NESS at the top, and a pencil and eraser. So please go get that. And here we go, Language Part 2. And if you take a look, we have our word structure up here. That's what we're working on, is word structure. We're going to review our suffix ER and our suffix NESS. If you remember, ER can mean one who when you add it to a base word. And NESS means the state of being. All right, so taking a look at that, I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Okay, singer would be one who sings. Writer would be one who writes. Now, I want you to take your pencil and I want you to underline the base word in singer. Underline the base word in singer. Let's see. The base word would be sing. Okay, S-I-N-G. A singer is one who sings. A writer, the base word would be write. But notice there's not two E's. You would drop the E on the end and then add your ER. Okay. Teacher, one who teaches, your base word is teach. Painter, one who paints. And the base word would be paint. Now I want you to go through these four and underline the base words. Go. Okay, you should have underlined the word dance in dancer, and it would be similar to writer in that when you added the ER, you would have dropped the E originally. So dance, work, read, and learn. Those would be your base words. Good. Now, let's take a look at line 3. Line 3. So here we go. Sadness, the state of being sad. Goodness, the state of being good. Kindness, the state of being kind. And sickness, the state of being sick. Well, we're going to underline the base words sad, good, kind, and sick. Those are the base words of that line. So now I want you to go to line 4, and I want you to underline the base words in these 4 words. Go. Okay, let's see, what did you do? Gentleness, you should have underlined gentle. Good. Darkness, you should have underlined dark. Gladness, you should have underlined glad. And rudeness, you should have underlined rude. Did you notice that the E was kept in gentle and the E was kept in rude? You just added the NESS on. Okay, good. Now, one of the things that we have worked on is syllables, counting out syllables, and I want you to note, we're just going to look at line 2, dancer. So watch, dancer, 2 syllables. Worker, 2 syllables. Reader, 2 syllables. Learner, 2 syllables. Very good. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to look at line 4, and I want you to tell me which word has more than 2 syllables. Which word in line 4 has more than 2 syllables? Are you you putting your hand up because you want to tell me? Okay, say it. If you said gentleness, you are correct. Now, in school, I would have you show me a silent signal in your personal space. Show me that silent signal on this question. Ready? How many syllables does the word gentleness have? Show me. Ooh, if you are showing me a 3 in your personal space, you are correct. Good job. All right, we're going to keep moving on. I want you to pull that worksheet in front of you. It's page 113. All right. Now, there's a focus box that gives you a little reminder. A suffix is added to the end of a base word. Adding a suffix changes the meaning of the word. The suffix er means one who. The suffix ness means the state of being. Okay, now we've just done some review, so now we're going to do an apply. Add er to the base words and write the meanings of the words. So we're going to do number 1 together, and then you'll do those 2 on your own later. Then we'll keep going. So we're just going to do number 1 together because you're going to do the rest on your own. So here we go. Teach. Now we want to add er to it. So we're going to, oops, wrong one. Sorry, guys. There we go. Teach. Add the er to the end. And what does it mean? Yep, if you said one who teaches, you are correct. Just remember that your teachers, Miss Seha and Mrs. Hobbs, love you all very much. Okay? All right, you're going to do these 2 on your own later. Get that copy down. Press pause if you need to. And let's look at the next part. It says add ness to the base words and write the meanings of the words. Base words here. We're going to add the ness. What's the meaning? Okay, so let's do that one. Sad. It's going to become sadness. And then the meaning is, if you said the state of being sad, you would be correct. All right, what you're going to end up doing is writing dark and glad here and following the pattern. So you're going to finish this page. What I want you to do right now, press pause, finish the page, and then turn it over to the back side. All right, press pause now, finish the page. Okay, you should be on the back side. It's blank, because I have a job for you to do. On the back side, I want you to write one sentence using an ER word, and I want you to write another sentence using an NESS word on the back. Couple of reminders when you're writing sentences. That sentence needs to make sense. It should start with a capital letter, needs to end with the correct punctuation. You can choose any one of those words on the front for your ER, any of those 3 words on the back, on the front for your NESS, but I would like for you to go ahead and write a sentence using an ER word, and then a sentence using an NESS word on the back. Then get your parents to check it. All right? Happy sentence writing. And that is the end of language part 2 for today.